Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng BGC Concrete Batching Plant. We commit and we fulfill.
Second quarter. Good work two on number 10, 30 rather. 10. Last night on St. Nicholas College, Jocson College basketball. Last night on St. Nicholas, Jocson College basketball. Number one, good for two. Number 13, for two. Good for two on number 18. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Good for two on number 18. Good for two on number 1. Nine seconds on the shot clock. Foul has been whistled. Foul committed number 28. First foul on your St. Nicholas. Last night on St. Nicholas, Jocson College basketball. Foul has been whistled. Foul committed number 1. Adwana lang. Second team foul on your Jocson College. Foul has been whistled. Foul committed number 23. Hacking foul. 2 shots on number 18. First shot is good. Second shot on number 18. 2 out of 2. 23 out for the Jocson College. Losing number 13. Foul has been whistled. Foul committed number 10. Holding foul. Second team foul on our St. Nicholas College. Put back on number 30, Garcia. Foul has been committed by number 8, holding foul. Timeout, Jocson College. Put back on number 35. Foul has been whistled. Foul committed number 18. Shot clock remaining at 70 seconds. 70 seconds to shoot. 35 out for the St. Nicholas College. Shot clock po natin at 70 seconds. 70 seconds to shoot. Shot clock at 5. 4-3, number 16, that's Batty. Number 16. 10 seconds into the shot clock. Basket is good on number 7. Basket counts. Foul committed number 04. Bonus withdrawal on number 7. Last touch on St. Nicholas Jocson College basketball. Last touch on Jocson. Same ball. St. Nicholas College basketball. Foul has been whistled. Foul committed number 18. Pushing foul. Pangalawa ka na, number 18. Warning for penalty. 2 free throws on number 16. First basket on number 16. It's good. Second shot on number 16. Two out of two on number 16. Foul has been whistled. Foul committed number 7. Hacking foul. Penalty for the St. Nicholas College. Bonus free throw on number 01. Galang. Nice basket. It's good. Second throw on number 01. Wala. Good for two on number 30. Good for two on number 16. Put back on number 7. Manalo. Foul has been whistled. Foul committed number 7. Hacking foul. Two free throws on number 1. Dalawa ka na, number 7 for the St. Nicholas College. Two free throws on number 1. Number 01, second throw. Split throw. Timeout, St. Nicholas College. تنزمزم شلق شلق at 5. Minutes. Number 45, good for the good for two on number 45. Last time on Jocson.
Hindi balik. Makakundwala rin.
Three seconds violation. Turnover. Jocson College basketball. Foul has been whistled. Foul committed number 45. Penalty. Penalty, St. Nicholas College. First throw on number 16. Basket on number 16. Second throw on number 16. Two out of two on number 16. Put back on number 6. Lock. 10 seconds of the shot clock. 5 seconds. Game clock po natin 5.4 seconds on the game clock. 5.4 seconds. That's the end of our first half. Official score po natin 66 for St. Nicholas College, 30 for your Jocson College.
Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng BGC Concrete Batching Plant. We commit and we fulfill.